I swear to God, I got the memory of a fucking goldfish. Maybe I'm just really busy and these things don't affect me, but they affect the people around me. Yeah, this road is kind of bullshit. Like, if the person in front of you's got to turn left, you're pretty much screwed. If there's not a turn line, that is. And those turn lanes are few and far in between on this road. The sheriff's left to hang out down here. There's a little dirt strip. Right there. They love to hang out right there. Come over that crest. Bam, they got you. Okay. Yeah, not paying attention. Gigi's Fusion. Mexican Peruvian. I don't know about that. And to be, I mean, obviously I've had shitloads of Mexican food. Gigi's, you ran a red light? Oh, and so did I. Wonder where she's going. No, I'm not gonna check her fucking Twitter feed. Like a food truck trailer. Yeah, that's a trailer. Wonder where they're going. So whatever Gigi's is going, this person's going. Jake's food cart, it looked like, or Jack's. I'm gonna go a different way today. That's fucking disgusting. Why would you do that? And you think you're cool. Why is everyone driving so slow? Riding without a helmet is just dumb. I'm sorry. This food truck right here had great carne asada tacos, but shitty lengua tacos. Lengua is tongue for Spanish. It was fucking, you know, it's a good place for lengua if it's the tongue is shredded versus cut up in cubes. Lady on the right was just on. Wow. alright, man. Fuck.